Hello friends, here in this video I'm going to share something about the real investment. If you are looking forward to invest your money and multiply into 1,000 times, then this video is especially for you. But before that, you should know about one very crucial thing. You know a lot of people who invest their money in share market, Bitcoin, as well as IPL without knowing the actual knowledge behind it. They haven't any sort of expertise. Still they are investing their money and eventually they end up with a massive loss. So why they invest their money? There is only one reason. They always believe in shortcut. They are looking forward for shortcuts. They want instant gratification, which is not possible. If you want to invest your money, then it takes some time. So if you really want to invest your money in a right place, then invest in yourself. I remember a very beautiful quote of Warren Buffett. The right investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you will earn. You can enroll yourself in different courses. You can read different books which help you to improvise your skills and help you to achieving your goals. So guys, that's all from my side. Thank you.